Hello, my name is Amanda with Campbell Medical Clinic, and today I'd like to talk to you about fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a serious and very complicated condition affecting more and more Americans every day. There are three major contributing factors to fibromyalgia symptoms. First and foremost, undetected nerve damage leads to irritated nerves and an increase in pain levels systematically throughout the body. Secondly, hormone imbalances can often create chronic inflammatory reactions that can further complicate these fibromyalgia symptoms. Finally, toxicity in the human body further complicates and exacerbates all of these symptoms. Every one of those conditions has to be evaluated to find out the true cause or combination of causes that are leading to your fibromyalgia symptoms. That's why I'd like to offer you the opportunity to come into our clinic for a free evaluation to see if you're a candidate for the therapies that we provide that give such relief to so many fibromyalgia sufferers. Just dial the number below or click on the website, and we look forward to seeing you in the clinic.
Hi, I'm Sandra. I'm from Houston, Texas. I initially came to this clinic because I was experiencing numbness in my hands, and it was pretty excruciating. I would wake up like 5 times a night with intolerable pain. So I sought treatment here, and it helped me a lot. I'm an MA by trade, medical assistant. I really had to give up my job because I couldn't do my job anymore. Blood draw and shots were a nightmare. I didn't want to put my patients through that. So now that I've done a lot better, I'm going back to school and I'm becoming an RN.